Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a set using the Born Pretty products that I received in some PR. I have part 1 already posted of what I received, and I did all the swatches. So I'm going to be using these coffin tips. I did my right hand a couple days ago. I had to use that Heart Glow from Madam Glam. So yeah, I did a coffin tip, so I wanted to do the same on my left hand. So we're going to be using the Super Base Gel to apply some of the tips, and then to 2 of the tips we're going to be using that non-stick hand gel. So yeah, it says for the Super Base that you can use it as a base gel, but you can also use it to apply your tips. So I'm excited to see how long they last. I do have a peel off base on, but this is the McCart one, and it usually lasts, I can wear the tips way over a week. So I'm excited to see how the glue holds up. So I'm just putting, you know, a pretty good amount in there, not too much. It is really thick, which I like. That's what you want when you have your gel, you know, when you're putting on your tips with. You don't want it too runny that it seeps out everywhere. So yeah, I just push it right up against the cuticle there. I didn't cut my cuticle. What happened was when I was doing like my cuticle work, like the file kind of rubbed the skin off, but it didn't actually cut it. It just looks like it looks redder on the camera than it is. But yeah, I just kind of, I guess, got too close to the cuticle, and it just kind of, I guess, burned it a little bit, but it doesn't even hurt. But yeah, I know it looks bad on camera, but so I did cure that the hand for 60 seconds. Now on the index and the ring finger, we're going to go in and put the non-stick gel. I'm so sorry I was out of frame, you guys. I'll start to come back up here. I'm just pushing it into the tip. I ended up switching to a silicone tool, and that helped. I didn't have to use any alcohol or anything. It was pretty easy to put in the tip. So yeah, I'm just going to fill it in. I won't go all the way up to the tip yet. So you'll see I pretty much almost do go up to the tip, and then I cure it on my nail, and then I add some after. But I'm going to be doing some Frenchies on these nails. So I wanted to use the non-stick gel as my, you know, my base color. So yeah, you have a little bit come out. I just use my silicone tool to wipe it off, and I like the pink. It's a pink. It's a very soft pink, which is real pretty. So then we're going to go on and do the same thing with the index finger. Yeah, the spatula, I mean, I put it in the tip with a spatula, but you couldn't push it around. You either use your finger or a silicone tool. I know a lot of people don't like to touch it, but I mean, it says non-stick hand gel, so it says you can, you know, use your hands. So I did use my hands and my silicone tool, but you just want to be careful if you have allergies. I've been fine with the product so far, so... So it's almost like you're doing the lazy girl method with the poly gel, except for you're putting in the, you know, the non-stick hand gel. Yeah, and I put it on a little bit and squeezed it, and you just want to make sure that you get all the gel, you know, pretty flat. You don't want it too bumpy under there. So I was just kind of spreading it around with the silicone tool. Works really good for this product. And then yeah, I did have some on the side that you can see there. You want to try to go in and make sure you get all the sides. And like I said, I do go in with some more to fill in that space at the top. I know you guys, I was so out of frame. I don't know what was going on. But yeah, you'll see here I did add some to the already cured part. And yeah, it blended in fine. So yeah, I really like this. I have a glittery one that I haven't used yet, and I'm excited to do that because I love clear, like glittery nails. So yeah, I'm just gonna go in and push that down, make it pretty flat. I mean, not flat, but smooth. And then make sure I get it all covered the sides. So yeah, this is the little, the tiny little sanding band. I love this now. This is my new favorite. I haven't used the original, you know, bigger one in so long. I love the little mini one. I got this from Zule's Nails. And so I just go around the cuticle just to make it flush, and then to remove any product that seeped out around the cuticle area of the tip. And then I got this little bit on Amazon and I love it. I need to get another one because it's getting real dull. I've had it for a couple years. And then this too, just make sure it goes around and makes the tip flush with the cuticle. And then I do go in and buff it, which I didn't show that because I just literally buffed the whole nail. So yeah, I was just showing you my cuticle there. That was from when I was prepping my nails. But yeah, like I said, it doesn't hurt. It just doesn't look very pretty on camera. So now we're going to go in with the Super Base Gel, and I'm going to be applying this to the pinky and the thumb. And yeah, like I said in part one, it's thick, but it levels out so nicely. So yeah, I really enjoyed it. And then we cure it for 60 seconds. And now we're using CG001. This is their black. And I did get this with my voucher that they sent me for Christmas. I haven't had their black before. I haven't tried the black. So I was like, I need to get the black. So I'm going to be applying this to the pinky and the thumb. We're doing 2 coats and we cure each coat for 60 seconds. So yes, that's the black there. It's a very nice black. And then I did apply the super top coat. And I think I do show, yeah, I do show. I didn't know if I showed it or not. Yeah, I did apply the super top coat to the pinky and the thumb. So we're going to use this beautiful blue. This is the Pro Paint Gel and it goes on so nicely. I'm going to apply this to the whole middle finger here, and I did do 2 coats and I cure each coat for 60 seconds. And like I said, it is so smooth and it's so nice and the color is just gorgeous. So I was looking on their website because they mostly have the primary colors. They have yellow, red, white, black, blue, and I think a silver. And it shows you can mix, you can mix the red and the blue to make purple. So yeah, you can mix, get, the colors they have, and then you can mix them, make your own custom colors. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, I definitely want to get some more colors because I really enjoyed this. You can use it to paint the whole nail, and then you can also use it, for drawing, for line art. So yeah. So that's 2 coats and look how pretty that is. Oh, I love it. So now we're going to go in with the reflective cat here, and this one is so pretty. This is the one I said in my swatch video, part 1. It looks like peacock. I had to use it, and when you put it over the blue, it just, I don't know, it just makes it stand out. So yeah, we're going to be putting that on the whole nail. And then look how cool this is, that greenish kind of yellow color. Oh, I just love it. It's so cool. Yeah, you definitely have to get these ones, the reflective ones, and they have like different colors to them. Look at that, how gorgeous. Pretty. So now we're going to do some Frenchies on the index finger and the ring finger. And I wish I would have showed the index finger. The index finger came out really, really nice. I mean, this one did too, but for some reason the index finger came out really nice. So yeah, and I am using that Pro Paint Gel there to make my Frenchie. And so I am going to go ahead and apply that reflective cat eye also over the Frenchie. Alright, so this is the Frenchies all done. I love the index finger, the way it came out. I don't know, it came out so cute. And look at these hearts that match perfectly. I have these heart charms and they have like mermaid scales, but the same like bluish green shift. I couldn't believe it. I was going through all my charms and I was like, oh my god, I forgot I had these, and they matched perfectly. So I'm applying these to the index finger and the ring finger. I'm just roughening it up because I did apply my top coat, so I was just roughening it up. And then I saw on Stab Nails, her channel, she applies a base coat before she puts on her rhinestone glue. And I can't remember if she cured it or not, but I just went ahead and cured it because it will have a sticky layer. And then I put my rhinestone gel on top. And then so I'm going to see if that helps, because I've been losing a lot of rhinestones no matter what gel I use. I don't know why. I've been doing the same thing I've always done. So I'm not sure why, but we're going to see. So far I've had these on for about 3 days or so, 2 days, and I haven't lost one. So, but yeah, look how cute that is. It matches perfectly. So I was going to do stamping, but you can see on the paper there, it looked like I had a polish that matched. I mean, when you hold the bottle, it looks exactly, but when you stamp, I just did not look right. It didn't have that shift. It just threw it off. To me, it didn't match. So I just decided just to put some cuticle rhinestones on the thumb and the pinky. And these are kind of bluish. They're peacock rhinestones from Zule's Nails. So yeah, I just decided to do that. The stamping, I don't know. I just wanted the cat eyes to be like the star of the show. So yeah, I just kept it really simple. Like I said, the cat eyes are just absolutely gorgeous. And I can't believe how good the charms match. So I was like, it's fine. We're just going to do a simple set. So yes, this is the finished set here, and I think they came out super cute. I absolutely love the cat eyes. It's gorgeous. Thank you so much, Born Pretty. Please check them out. I have a discount code and I have a link below. Their products are just amazing. I always enjoy their products. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. We'll see you next time. Bye.